ating winner. So the winner is Mr. Riley Sepe. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Riley. Alright, to claim your prize, Sir Riley, please go to the side backstage with your ID. Alright, thank you so much. What about you, sir? Baka may gusto kong sabihin habang ang dami ng audience bigla ulit eh.
Hindi po, wala talaga kami dito. PA lang ako, PA ni Elmao ngayon. Nadami lang ako sa event na to. Kaya, hello po sa inyo lahat! Ayan, no?
Thank you guys, and we'll see you again next time.